Did you know that a small investment can significantly impact your daily income? Many think large sums are needed, but small, consistent investments can add up over time. The power of compounding is key. By reinvesting earnings, even small gains can grow exponentially. This principle allows your money to work for you, generating more income without additional contributions. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, gathering more snow and momentum as it goes. Even small initial investments can reap significant rewards through compounding. Consider turning a small investment into a consistent daily income stream. Turning $12 into $3 daily might sound unbelievable, but the VIP 1 deposit bonus makes it possible. This program helps generate consistent daily income from a small initial investment. It's an accessible entry point for those looking to explore investing and experience daily returns. The VIP 1 deposit bonus offers a structured approach to building a passive income stream. With a low entry point of just $12, it's within reach for many individuals. This low barrier to entry makes it attractive for those hesitant to invest due to financial constraints. By taking advantage of this program, you can begin your investment journey without a significant financial commitment. The VIP 1 deposit bonus empowers individuals to take control of their financial future. Many are skeptical about making extra income through small investments, and this skepticism is understandable. It's crucial to approach any investment with caution and conduct thorough research. Don't let skepticism paralyze you. Use it as a motivator to investigate and learn. Fear of failure and losing money can be powerful deterrents, but calculated risks are often necessary for financial growth. Overcoming fear requires acknowledging it and taking steps to mitigate risks. Education and careful planning are key to managing fear and making informed decisions. Start small and don't invest more than you can afford to lose, especially when exploring a new strategy. The VIP 1 deposit bonus simplifies the investment process, making it accessible to all experience levels. The program provides a clear roadmap for getting started, outlining the steps involved in making your initial deposit and activating the bonus. The user-friendly interface and straightforward instructions make it easy to navigate the platform. The bonus is applied to your initial deposit, boosting your investment from the outset. This amplified starting point allows you to generate higher daily income from the get-go. To get started, create an account, make your initial deposit of $12, and activate the bonus. The platform provides real-time updates and performance reports so you can stay informed about your investment's progress. Meet Sarah, a single mother struggling to make ends meet. She stumbled upon an advertisement for the VIP 1 deposit bonus and decided to invest her last $12. To her amazement, she started seeing returns almost immediately, earning $3 daily. This small but consistent income stream made a world of difference in Sarah's life. She was able to pay her bills on time, buy groceries, and even start saving for her children's future. Inspired by her success, Sarah began exploring other investment strategies and gradually increased her investments. Today, Sarah is financially secure and credits the VIP 1 deposit bonus with transforming her financial life. The $12 to $3 daily investment strategy offers compelling benefits. One significant advantage is the low barrier to entry, making it ideal for new investors or those with limited resources. The VIP 1 deposit bonus generates a steady stream of income, providing reliable extra cash flow. This consistent income can help cover daily expenses, pay down debt, or save for future goals. The program offers the opportunity to learn about investing and gain valuable experience. By participating, individuals can make informed decisions about their finances and explore other investment opportunities. Successfully generating daily income from a small investment can empower individuals to take control of their financial future.